In this video, I'm going to review player optimization for DraftKings selection for the World Golf Championship, Cadillac Championship at Doral. So I've selected my players from DraftKings and their respective salaries, and I'm now looking at the 5 key factors I use to build the optimized team. I come up with a player value for each player based on how they perform in the cut maker, which is how they do before the weekend, the weekender, how they do during the weekend, their course history, and their stats summary. And then I may or may not add a subjective value to their, it's something that's beyond math to sort of factor how I think they're going to behave over the weekend. This gives me a final player value. As we can see, the top player value right now is Adam Scott, which makes sense. He's won or come in second the last 2 weeks. And what really pops out is, to me, is Rafa Cabrera-Bello, who's at 6,900. He's got an extremely good play happening right now, though his stats summary may not show it because there's limited information. I've scaled him down because he doesn't have very much experience in this tournament. But regardless of those poor course history, poor stat summary, poor and then subjective weighting, his overall play is very, very good, and as a result, his player value has popped up. So let's see who has the best course history, and you'll see that it's Dustin Johnson, Bubba Watson, and Adam Scott. So these are the players that you would think would be in good contention. As for stat summary, I think Jordan Spieth and Hideki Matsuyama, Adam Scott, the same usual suspects. The guys that are playing great in the final rounds are, again, some of the key names, and kind of a surprising name, KT Kim, but and you'll notice that that's a good value at 6,300. But let's just get to our final players. There's the player values, and from that, what I do is I generate a CSV file, which I'll now use to create an optimized team. So I have a program here, and let's run that program. What that will do is let's load in our optimized team, or our player values, and generate the optimized teams. And as you can see, the optimized team is Adam Scott, Brent Snedeker, Mark Leishman, Graham McDowell, Kevin Na, and Rafa Cabrera-Bello. And you can see this is a name that popped out, so he's a really hot player right now. But if you look down here, I kind of like team number 3 that was recommended to me. I somehow feel that Danny Willett is a better player than Graham McDowell, though Graham McDowell has been playing pretty hot in the last couple of weeks. But there, our top optimized team is Adam Scott, Brent Snedeker, Mark Leishman, and Graham McDowell, which is not a bad team.